We look at conversion from decimal fraction to proper fraction. We'll look at some tricks to convert 0.636363 till infinity to proper fraction. Now to do this, we say let x equal 0.636363 till infinity. Now we will consider this to be an equation so that we multiply both sides by 100. Now 100x equals 63.6363 up to infinity. We can also say x equals 63 plus 0.636363 up to infinity. Okay, so from here 100x equals 63 plus x, because the whole of this is x, which is this one. Then 100x minus x equals 63. Therefore 99x equals 63 and x equals 63 over 99. We have here 7 and we have here 11, so that we have 7 over 11. So if we divide 7 by 11, we are going to have 0.636363 till infinity. Now let's see another simple trick to expressing this number as a proper fraction. But this time around we are going to consider the sum of infinity. Now 0.636363 can be expressed as a sum as 0.63 plus 0.063 plus 0.00063 plus other terms. Now this is the first term, the second term, and the third term. So we first of all define our r, which is the second term divided by the first term. So r equals 0.0063 over 0.63, so that we have r equals 0.01. Now from our formula we have that s equals a 1 minus r. Then we have here a, which is the first term, 0.63, 1 minus r, which is 0.01, so that we have 0.63. This minus this will give us 0.99. Then we multiply this by 100, this by 100, so that we have 63 over 99. Then we have here 7 over 11. We divide 7 by 11, we will obtain 0.636363 till infinity.